Good morning.
Morning.
Do you know what we're doing today?
Recording a video for my...
No! We're going to Pismo.
Oh.
Isn't that exciting?
Yeah, it's very exciting.
We haven't left yet, but we're going to leave, and it's only like 3 in the afternoon. Great! It's not.
10.
Okay, it's 10. It's 10.
10 in the morning.
Anyway, we're getting ready to leave. We're getting all the stuff put together, and we will go soon. So, see you when we get there, even though it'll only be like 20 seconds for you. It's going to be a long time for us. So,
Like 3 hours.
yeah, like 3 hours. So, bye-bye.
Graduation for Josh's when we were out. They see your every move. Private eyes watching you. They're watching you, watching you, watching you, watching you, watching you. This is our gym right here. Okay.
Yeah.
All because of that psych commercial.
I love that psych commercial so much.
Okay, I see an in and an out, a jack in the box. I can't see what else is there. Watching you. They see your every move. Private eyes, they're watching you. They're watching you, watching you. They're watching you.
This is the snack shop, Marley. This is amazing. A wall of movies. Sweet.
Oh my god, these old dogs.
And then, even better, look at this place. It's brilliant. Oh, a painting of a lady. Now we shall enter the library. Oh, how nice and quaint.
Oh, I see where you know.
And a little cafe for people older than us.
Yeah, you don't want that if you're under 21.
And a dog that looks like an owl and a cow mix.
TV, sweetness.
This is the bathroom. Hi! This is the bedroom. This is the lovely couch. Another mirror.
Are you going to show you?
Another television. Oh, and then the pet zone.
Close the door behind you.
Door closing. Say hello to the pet zone, which doesn't have any pets in it. But one day it will, and I will come and creep on them. Oh, wonderful. Well, that's our hotel. I think it's pretty cool. Oh, we're going to go put our luggage in the hotel now. Bye!